Okay, today we're working with this generator. It's the GX390 Honda engine on it, and this generator has been sitting for a year or so. And I was testing the generator for this year, and it doesn't want to start. Okay, and a quick test that we're gonna do here. We're gonna remove the air filter cover or box, and we're gonna put there some starter fluid. And if this generator wants to start with the starter fluid, that means the generator is good. The only problem will be the carb that is just we need to clean the carburetor. So let's put some starter fluid there and see how it goes. There we go. You can see with starter fluid, no starter fluid. With starter fluid, there you go, it's working. So that means the problem is not the engine is not getting enough fuel to start. So the problem will be the carburetor. We need to clean it. We're gonna remove this fuel, and we're gonna clean the fuel tank and put fresh fuel in it, and I hope it works. Most of the times when any small engine doesn't want to start up, but as soon as you put some starter fluid in the carburetor, the engine starts. That means the jets are clogged. So we're gonna disassemble this, and we're gonna clean the jets on this carburetor. So okay, so remove these two hex nuts right here, and then it will be a 10 millimeter bolt on top. Remove this hose right here. There you go, and then you're just gonna pull it. Wiggle a little bit, pull it out of there. Okay, and then this one is gonna come off, this plastic piece right here. And then we're gonna remove this little spring right here. Get a fuel container, and we're gonna remove the fuel hose from here. Remove the carb. There you go. There is the fuel going into the fuel container. We're gonna empty this fuel tank. And now that we remove the carburetor, we're gonna work on it. And it's a really simple procedure on these carburetors. Small engines, they're really easy to work on. We're gonna remove this 10 millimeter bolt, remove this cap right here, pull it, and inside here we're gonna have the jets. We're gonna remove the jets and clean those jets, and that should fix the problem. And we want to clean the inside. You see how dirty it is, all this, it's not good. And I bet the jet is in there. The jet is gonna be clogged. So let's just remove the float on this thing. Just remove the pin. There you go. Remove the float. and there will be the needle. This is the needle right here. Let's remove the jet. There you go. There's the jet right there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray the carburetor with some carb cleaner. We got some carb cleaner right here, so we're gonna spray this thing so we can clean the old fuel. There you go. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a small piece of wire, and we just need one single part. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through the jet, through the eye, and just clean it. Spray some carb cleaner there. Just pass the wire through the eye of the jet, so it can remove all the debris or anything that is making clog this carb jet. Okay. You see the eye right there? There you go. That's what you want to see, a clean eye right there. You want to put it back. I'm gonna spray some carb cleaner in here inside where the jet goes. Now let's go ahead and install the float with the needle. That's it. This is how you clean the jet. I'm just cleaning the jet because I think that was the problem. Again, when the generators or any small engine starts with a starting fluid, it's most likely only the jet giving you problems. There is not enough fuel. The cup is full of fuel, but the jet signs is clogged. There is not enough fuel going up to the area to make the engine work. And we want to try to clean all the debris. You see down there, there is a lot of debris of this old fuel, so we want to try to remove it. So we're gonna put some new fuel, and we're gonna still let it dry on that container right there, so it can clean the hoses for any extra debris that we might have there. So connect the hose back in the carburetor, make sure the clamp is good, tight, put everything back together. Let's connect the throttle right here, the little spring. Now that everything is installed, let's add fuel. You can use something like this fuel stabilizer. Keeps store fuel fresh for quick easy starts. You can do that. You also can use some of sea foam. This helps as well to stabilize fuel, clean carb jets. It helps a lot. So we can use this thing as well. If you want to storage a generator or a small engine, you can use this thing as a fuel stabilizer as well. Another thing that you can do, some of these small engines, they have this, let's see, they have some of this like to stop the fuel going through the car, so you can just close it. In my case, it says on this way, so there is fuel going through the carburetor. But if I close it, you can close it and then start the generator or your small engine. Just let it run till it dies by itself. That means there is no more fuel in the carb, so your carb is gonna be dry, and there is a good way as well to keep it good, so it doesn't, the fuel in the carb doesn't go bad, and then you have to clean it again and again and again, year after year. So just let it run until it dies, and that means your carb is empty. There's no more fuel in it. If you close it right here, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna try to start it right now, see if it works. Let's go. Okay, so it was a success. So I'm just gonna fill it up with fresh fuel, some fuel stabilizer, and just put it in storage. Again, these generators are just, you use it once or twice a year, just whenever you really need it, and that's what I do. I use it like once a year or so, um, and I just wanna have it ready. Just in case, you don't want to go through all of this whenever it's an emergency and you need to power your house or anything with this generator. So I just want to have it ready for whenever it's needed. So yeah, that's how you fix this small engine carburetors. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, or if this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. I will appreciate it. Thank you for watching my channel.